welcome you to the second edition of the Urology BootCamp, now here in Muscat, Oman. Following the success of our first bootcamp in Dubai, we've expanded our second edition to include 4 modules, including prostate enlargement, PBH, and transurethral resection, laparoscopic skills, ureteroscopy and laser and PCNL, and also urodynamics.
Main success for the bootcamp is delivering one-to-one training, which is very personalized to trainee, and this allows even the less experienced trainee to learn techniques in a very short time, and so learning curve is very short. That's the main advantage of the bootcamp.
I'm one of the faculty and trainers in bootcamp, especially the Stones and Endo-Urology section. It's a fantastic opportunity for trainees to come and work with expert faculty members to enhance their skills in endo-urology.
The feedback has been fantastic from last year and this year so far, because this is one of the rare opportunities to get your hands on modulators, on simulators, and then have one-to-one faculty teaching.
I like it so much, and I really recommended the others to visit the bootcamp, to visit the conference.
This is the best place to train and make as many mistakes as possible before you embark on the real life. What you can do as well, come here, learn new techniques, or consolidate your pre-existing skills or learn new ones.
I was excited to join as a resident here for the bootcamp in AAU. It was very helpful for me to see the 2RP and the ureteroscopy, and with all the other trainers and instructors.
There was a lot of simulation. We had laparoscopic sessions, ureteroscopy, urodynamic, TURB and TURBT, and it's very enjoyable.
I would like to say that bootcamp, the workshop and AAU, the way it's been organized so far is quite beneficial, helpful, and it also encourages us and it gives us a lot of skills to practice, and it has exceeded our expectations.
AAU Muscat.